All right, hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. So just wanted to show you a quick little update. So we have Joe's Ram back in. Now we did Joe's Ram in 2023. This is a 2023 Dodge Ram TRX. And at the point when he brought it to us, they had stolen 2 trucks from him. He bought a TRX, they stole it. Bought a second TRX, they stole it. This is his 3rd TRX. We did a full CompuStar alarm remote start as well as an Igla. Since we did it, they've tried to steal the car 3 times, okay? And been unsuccessful all 3 times. Now this last time, they did have a little bit more time, or they were a little bit more brazen, and they got in and started just disconnecting all kinds of things. So the reason the client's here is because the radio stopped working, his heads-up display stopped working, plus he also just wanted to make sure, oh, and the alarm quit working. So the reason it was here was in order to go through it and obviously get his heads-up display, his radio, and just go over everything and make sure it works. But he is a huge proponent of the Igla and the alarm system, because at this point, he would literally be on his 6th truck, right? So the 2 that they stole, the 3 other attempts, 5, and he would have to have gotten another one because he really loves the TRX. He uses it for fishing, for hunting, for all kinds of stuff, and he loves the truck. So, you know, and there's no insurance company that's gonna cover 5 TRXs, right? So the Igla works. I mean, he'll tell you it works. Now, they do every attempt. He said the window guy loves him because they do bust his window, but the alarm goes off and typically they run away. They don't even get to attempt to get in the vehicle. This guy or this crew was a little bit more brazen and thought they could get away with it. So they spent a little bit more time. But this is the other reason why you definitely want a security system. You want something that will scare them, or hopefully scare them, and draw attention to the vehicle so they have less time to work on the car, right? The less time they have to work on the car, the less likely they are to figure out a way to steal it.